All right, what we're going to do in this series is we are going to document our journey of revitalizing and bringing the family blueberry farm back to life. I would be the fourth generation and my son will be the fifth. About 3 years ago, the family decided to stop doing blueberries. And thankfully, my wife and I have been able to purchase a decent amount of the land, and there are still some blueberries on it. And we're gonna get this back to life. So the first step in that is getting this grass cut down, because blueberries love to have air movement through them. And then the second step will be getting all of these trees out of the bases of the bush, because the root systems compete with each other and it will eventually kill the bush. So for today, we got a brand new weed whacker because there is no equipment left. We can't just hop in a tractor and mow, and we're gonna start weed whacking this. So thank you for joining us, and yeah, let's get to work. The row is complete, and that took roughly 21 minutes. So that means to do this entire field with a weed whacker, it's probably gonna take about 10 hours. The lesson learned, I did not bring anything with me to cut the line halfway through to get it sharp. Not wearing gloves, hands are beaten up. Thankfully I had safety glasses on, and I would probably wear pants as I continue to go. So we definitely have our work cut out ahead of us, but it'll be worth it in the long run. So thank you for checking out this edition of Saving the Family Blueberry Farm. Give us a like, subscribe, and a share, and we can't wait to have you join us along on this journey.